Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do a weird noise. Okay, how you do that is, okay, you just make this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, so make that noise. And when you're done with that noise, you go, and you tap on your throat when you do it. It's like, and then when you're done doing that, then you're gonna tap on your throat, the top of your throat, above the little ball there. You're gonna tap above it. I can do this first. Please subscribe, like, please do not dislike. Please just subscribe and stick around for the next video.